Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix ZEE5 app not working, not opening, keep stopping on Android Smart TV. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to restart your TV. So simply switch off your TV, unplug the power cable, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, then plug in power cable, turn on your TV and then open ZEE5 app and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to force stop and clear ZEE5 app cache. So on your TV, open settings, navigate to apps and then look for ZEE5 app and highlight it. Then navigate to force stop and then click on it. And then finally click on OK to confirm force stop. Then go back and then click on clear cache and then finally click on OK to confirm clear cache. Now you can go ahead, open ZEE5 app and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to check for ZEE5 app update. So on your TV, navigate to app sections at the top, then navigate to search for apps and games and search for ZEE5 app. And if you find any updates available for ZEE5, then update it. And then after updating the ZEE5, open it and check. Fix 4, check your internet connection. Now please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. Now here is the tip, restart your Wi-Fi router and then check. If possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile data network via hotspot and then check ZEE5 app is working or not. Fix 5 is to log out and log in. So simply log out from your ZEE5 app on your TV and then re-log in and then check. If that doesn't work, then reinstall ZEE5 app. So simply uninstall ZEE5 app on your TV, then turn off your TV, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, turn on your TV and then reinstall ZEE5 app and then check. Fix 7 is to check for TV update. So on your TV, open settings, navigate to system, about system update. This will check for any updates available for your TV or not. You can also click on check for updates, and if you find any updates available for your TV, then update it and then you can go ahead, open ZEE5 app and check if your problem is solved or not. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last thing you must do is to check for the ZEE5 app server status. You can go to Down Detector website or you can also go to the uptime.com website. Links are provided in my video description. And if you find that their server status is down, offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outages, then you have to just wait for their server status to get back online and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve ZEE5 app not working, not opening, keep stopping on Android Smart TV. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.